In this vlog, yes, nandito ako sa lanang location ng Patok sa Manok. It's a childhood favorite daw, comfort food siya ng mga bata pag wala daw maluto si nanay. So, is it worth it? Is it worth the hype? Is it worth traveling a plane and back para dito? Tumahan niyo ako, I'll be the judge of that. Tara. Okay, so pardon the audio kung medyo malakas lang dahil kasi may music. Pero sige, I'll do my best. Grabe no, tumating kagad yung lechon manok. I just ordered them around 5-10 minutes ago. Mga ganun, bilis yung service. Tapos, para lang mabalanse dahil I just came from a food challenge. So, simplihan lang natin. Chicken at saka laing, tapos kanin. So, sige, unahin na muna natin ang laing. So, okay, pa tayo na konti. Grabe no, kung hindi ko pa na-mention kasi multiple locations Patok sa Manok dito sa Davao, pero I believe madami din naman or accessible naman siya. This particular location, yung lanang location, is open from 10 to 10 for their social media page. So, sulit no, for late night family dinners and whatnot. So sige, lain naman natin ang lain. Kung mapapakanin ka. Tapos straight ka agad, straight to the point. Chicken. Patay na konti pa. I like it na ano yung setting niya. Of course, lechon manok ko in front of you. Pwede mga panoorin dun sa labas eh. I'm gonna show na lang a clip here. Tapos juicy yung lasang-lasang. Nakikita mo yung ano, trippings eh. Juicy, sobrang juicy. Season niya tama lang, hindi siya maalat, and mapapasulit talaga yung kanin mo dito. Kumuha ako ng dalawa because why not? And I figure kung anong hindi ko makain, kain ko mamaya. Rice at saka laing. So kagat. Okay, straightforward. Without any further delay. Busin ko naman ito. Balikan ko kayo mamaya. So to answer your question earlier, is it worth the flight from Manila going to here for comfort food? Yes. Nagets ko yung appeal eh. So if you're from Davao at growing up, ito yung binili ng ito yung pagkain nyo, comfort food, childhood food, then I understand and appreciate it. So, sige. On to our next food trip. Kailangan kong, there's one more stop. It's not a food related spot na gusto kong puntahan, pero I really want to go there to see something. So, sige.